When we think about technology, two countries often come to mind: the United States and Russia. Both have made significant contributions to the tech world, but their approaches and innovations can be quite different. Let's dive into some of the gadgets that define each nation. Starting with American technology, we have the smartphone revolution. Companies like Apple and Google have transformed how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. The iPhone, for instance, isn't just a phone, it's a powerful computer in your pocket. With apps for everything from fitness tracking to virtual reality, American tech has created an ecosystem that's incredibly user-friendly and accessible. The integration of AI into everyday devices, like the Google Nest or Amazon Echo, has made our homes smarter, allowing us to control everything with just our voice. Now, let's shift gears to Russian technology. Russia has a rich history in engineering and innovation, particularly in aerospace and military tech. One standout is the Yotaphone, which features a unique dual-screen design. One side is a traditional LCD, while the other is an e-ink display. This allows for extended battery life and better readability in sunlight, showcasing Russian ingenuity in addressing practical needs. Additionally, Russia has made strides in cybersecurity, with companies like Kaspersky leading the charge in protecting users from digital threats. Their focus on security reflects a broader cultural emphasis on resilience and defense. When it comes to gaming, American companies like Microsoft and Sony dominate the market with consoles like the Xbox and PlayStation. These platforms not only provide entertainment, but also foster communities through online gaming. On the other hand, Russia has produced some impressive titles, like the Metro series and STLKR, which are known for their immersive storytelling and atmospheric gameplay. These games often draw on Russia's rich literary tradition and post-apocalyptic themes, offering a unique perspective that resonates with players worldwide. In the realm of wearables, American brands like Fitbit and Apple Watch have popularized health tracking. These devices encourage users to monitor their fitness and health metrics, promoting a culture of wellness. Meanwhile, Russia has developed innovative solutions like the smartwatch from the company Vostok, which is designed for extreme conditions, emphasizing durability and functionality in harsh environments. Let's not forget about transportation technology. The US is pushing the envelope with electric vehicles, with Tesla leading the charge in sustainable transportation. Their advancements in battery technology and autonomous driving are paving the way for a greener future. In contrast, Russia has a long history of robust engineering with vehicles like the Lada, which, while not as glamorous as a Tesla, are known for their reliability and ability to handle tough terrains. The Russian approach often focuses on practicality and functionality, catering to the diverse landscapes of the country. In summary, American technology gadgets often emphasize user experience, innovation, and entertainment, while Russian gadgets reflect resilience, practicality, and a unique cultural perspective. Both countries contribute to the global tech landscape in their own ways, and understanding these differences not only highlights their strengths, but also enriches our appreciation for technology as a whole. Each gadget tells a story, shaped by the culture and values of its creators, and that's what makes exploring this tech rivalry so fascinating.